So hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video we will talk about the next steps after enrolling the Google Cloud Architect Facilitator program. So those who have enrolled yourself, I mean have filled the enrollment forms, they might have received this mail that now you are enrolled for Google Cloud Architect Facilitator program. If you haven't, then wait. It might take for 24 to 48 hours. It was written in the form, or you can ask your facilitator for the help and all. But now let's talk about that, what to do after getting this mail. So after getting the mail, we need to redeem our 600 credits, and I have already redeemed, but I will give you a brief overview that how you can get your 600 credits. First of all, here is the step. You need to open the incognito window in your browser. So let's go and do it. I have opened the incognito, and then I have to click this link. Okay, so I'm copying this link and I will paste it over here. So it will ask for your code. For the code, just copy paste this one. This is your access code. Okay, you need to copy paste over here and then click I'm not a robot and then submit. And here you can see that here you are getting one lab. So let's go through this lab. You need to sign in yourself. Here you can see the sign in option, so use the sign in option and sign in using your Gmail account. And here you can see that I have 679 credits because I have already redeemed my credits, 600 credits. But if you are a new user, then you can see here that you will receive 9 credits, and if you see 0 credits, then wait for a few minutes to update it to 9 credits. One thing to remember, that you need to perform this lab in incognito, then only you will be able to get the 9 credits over here. So after getting the 9 credits, here you will see that a tour of Google Cloud hands-on. I will go quickly through the lab. Just click on the start lab option. Yes, here you can see you got your username and password and project ID. And in this lab, what we need to do, we need to grant an IM role. So you can read these details and all, but I've already performed, so I won't take much time to do this. So just copy. For signing in, just first click on open Google Cloud Console and click the username. So you need to paste your username there. Okay, and the password is this one. Click on next and I understand, and I need to go to IAM and I need to create a new IAM service, I guess. Oh, okay, I need to give permission to this identifier. Okay, just click agree and continue. So how to go IAM, you can see here, it's a search menu. Here you can go that IAM. Here you can see IAM and admin. Click on that. Also here is the navigation menu. Here if you go, and here you can see the IAM and admin, and here you can click IAM. You can go use this method, or you can simply just search IAM. So here you can see that here is 3 services. So what I need to do now, I need to grant access. Whom I need to send the access? This one. So I will copy and paste the new principal, means new access. Okay, that was this .net. That will be .net. Okay. And what role? It's telling to give him that viewer role. So go and search viewer role and save it. Here you can see this ID got the viewer access. So now let's go and here's check that I have granted the IAM role or not. It might take a few moments to update, but we have done successfully. Okay, see here you can get that 50-50 points earned 50 message assessment completed. So we got the IAM role. Now we need to enable the dialog flow API. Just copy, and again here you search dialog flow API. Just search it. This is dialog. Okay, dialog flow API. Here you can see first one. Click here, and here you can see there is an option named as enable. Just click on that. It will take a little moment. Okay, done. We are done with the step. Now let's see that have we enabled. Yes, we got 50-50 see 100 of 100 on this lab. So now we are done. We now end the lab. Okay, let's go and end the lab, and here you can just review it at 5 and great work I have given. So if you check your account here, you can get 600 credits. Okay, it might be 609 for you. I have already redeemed, so here it is showing, and previously I had 70 credits, so it's showing 679 credits. You might see that you have got 600 or 609 credits. If you haven't, it might take a little bit amount of time. You can see over here that it was written that it might take 20 to 30 minutes after completed the lab, so you can hold. Also, one thing again I am telling that you need to perform this lab using incognito mode. Only then you will be able to perform the lab and you will be able to get the credits. For now, let's go. We need to subscribe the Google Arcade. So click on this link. This is important. This step is really important. Okay, else you will not be able to redeem your code. So just click on the subscribe here. Here after opening the link, you can see that here is subscriber. Here you will get one form. Just click on your email ID and just write yes. Okay, so now you have submitted the response that for subscription Google Arcade, and here you can see the syllabus of the program. Go to the destination, and yes, this is the syllabus of the program. You can read, and this is the labs we need to perform. So here it's described it in details manner, so you can check out. And also the milestone and badges. Okay, it's written that the arcade count for the badges and milestones that you completed in Facilitator program, you will earn several arcade plus bonus points that can you redeem for prizes and Google Cloud goodies at the arcade price counter in July. So in July you will be able to redeem your prizes, means goodies. The cohort deadline is 2nd June 11:59 p.m. IST to complete all the milestone. And you can go to the point system how it works. So you can see here that level 1, level 2, level 3 trivia, the how many points you can earn. Yeah, you can go through this, and I hope you have successfully got the 600 credits. So now you can start the Google Cloud Arcade program. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it's, please like the video and also comment down. Also, if you have any doubt, then feel free to ask me in the comment section. Also, you can reach out me in Insta or LinkedIn. I'm pretty much active there. So okay, thanks for joining guys. See you soon in the next video.